I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hold me till I scream forever, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you
keep on stopping every time I play it, but this will look like bogus. I dyed it myself. This is the blonde wig that I had in for my birthday, and I feel like it just fell apart after I dyed it. I used the water dye method, where you put the hot water in a bucket and put the color in the bucket, but like I also don't be, when I take my wigs out, I don't be properly storing them. Like, I just throw it somewhere. Doesn't look that bad from far away. I'm not gonna get close up because it looks terrible. But yeah, this is the finished look. I don't know, but stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this on my head. It is like, it's so orange. Yeah, but it's the first time. Not really, but yeah, really. And it's not real. This is like an old wig. I was just selling an old wig, so I'm gonna make a different video of me installing this, not this hair, but hair from like start to finish or whatever. And this hair, yeah, it just sheds a lot, and like, I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Top, I'm surfing, you know I put